The value of dinner with family will forever be priceless.
I know. This is why I made the priceless pancakes, the pancakes made with a mother's true love.
But what makes a mother's pancake so priceless? Over $1 billion pancake?
You have to understand, no amount of money in the world will ever compare to the true value of quality time with family around you. Especially your mother. You only get one mother in the world that is truly yours. It is important to cherish the little things you get from her, because the truth is one day she will be gone. And it's not going to be money she spent on you that you will remember. You don't even remember the last time she spent money to care for you or your family. You will have only the memories she left for you to hold on to for as long as your mind allows you to remember.
I sometimes feel like I take advantage of her presence because she gets annoying and is mean to me sometimes.
A mother's love comes in different shapes and forms. Just the same way she puts her love in her pancakes, she puts her love in the things she tells you. Because she wants the best for her baby. She tells you these things, so you will be able to take care of yourself when she's not able to anymore. She teaches you life lessons, the right and wrong, the ups and downs of life, because she has already lived it. Something more priceless than a priceless pancake is a priceless person. And that will always be your mother.